How's it? I'm Nash.
Hi, Lucius. Welcome to our channel.
Stop, you gotta run a watermelon over.
I'm going to check this one out. Down.
Who is it? Jen? Hello? Yeah, this is Nash. Oh, yeah. What have I done wrong? Won a kayak? What the heck? Gee, we won a kayak! So yesterday we got the call that we won a kayak, so we're going to go pick it up. Come with us to pick it up. So we've got our kayak. First things first, durability test.
You break these out. You break it too.
Oh.
That's right.
Two seats.
That was a book.
Let's go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. 3, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, boy. Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you ready? You too. Let's go. You ready?
Jump! Now we're gonna jump, hey. We're gonna jump!
Oh, heck. And knowing these two, they probably don't have any clothes. Good on them. Guys! What are you doing? What are you doing, Chief? You're riding in the water. Are you? What are you doing, mate? You got wet? Holy heck. Oh, they're nuts. I can't go too far out there because, of course, I wore the right footwear. So, yeah, onto it, guy. Oh, you want me to hold those too? Nelly! Oh, you got me wet. Here, come here. I help you out. There you go, go for a swim. Here, I'll do it. Thank you. Yeah, I'm sure everyone wants to see that. Yeah, I know. Whew. Mint afternoon for a fish. I didn't even bring a rod. This is my rod. What are you guys doing? Are you making a slide?
Yeah.
Go on then. Pull. Oh, did you? Where are you off to? California. Oh, heck. Yeah.
Watch out for our houses.
Watch out for your houses. Oh, did you make? Oh, you made a monster truck track.
You're staying on our eye.
Am I?
It's a
Oh, sorry. Oh, go right around. Oh, yep. Oh, you built a racetrack. Oh, okay. Hey. Beautiful harbour for a fish. Not that I like fishing, but here we are. Not too many people up the beach now. When we arrived, there's about probably 15 trucks just up from us. All gone now. Maybe another 5 trucks down this way. Only a few trucks left up there now. Bloody heck. Oh, here we go. Oh no, this one's not as good as the last one. Still not bad. Only just wet the toes. Nice little arvo out here. Oh heck, I think it's time to move forward. Oh, whoa, whoa. Probably gone. Holy heck. That was a big one. Oh, it's still there. Jay, it's still here. Yep. Man, that was a big sweep. Holy heck, that came out of nowhere. Yeah, I think it's time to move all the way up to the dune. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Where the light's shining there is where we come from. Yeah, that's pretty far. Shopcast. Well, I guess that's night fishing. Get those on the big jobs. Move all our stuff out of the way. Still a couple of cars coming down the beach, so we can't really move right up onto the bloody sand dunes because we'll take up all the beach. So, oh, that gave us a fright. Yeah, I forgot to open it. 0 sugar. Don't give the kids sugar. They'll be bouncing out of the truck. Another big wash is coming, and flat, bloody flat. Lucky we carry jumper leads on the bloody side by side, or else we wouldn't have been able to get this out. This time though, for a little bit and charge her up. Holy heck. Might as well go for a tiki tour while it's charging. Oh yeah, not too bad up in here. I'm more wondering if we can't get back up the beach later. The old truck will be able to make it up here. I think it might be able to. The start of the track's a little bit of a handful, but should be right. It's been a little bit touch and go this afternoon. Oh man, oh well. Fun afternoon out. The camera probably doesn't do any justice, but she's pretty steep in here. Even this one there doesn't look as steep as it is, but I don't know if the truck will get through here. Very, very unsuccessful night. Not even a bite after the bloody shark. Time to pack up, go home and cook some bloody dinner, I think. Dogs all packed up, everything, all the gear's packed up. All good, eh? All good, fishermen? Where to? Shut it down.
Thank you for watching our video. Hi, I'm Penelope. Thank you for watching our first video. We love you. Bye.